Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links will be in the YouTube description box below if you want to get that application in. The company Intuit, they own multiple well-known products that you've probably heard of, such as TurboTax, Credit Karma, Mint, QuickBooks, and they also run MailChimp. They are hiring a bookkeeper to work from home. Now, this is for my United States folks only, but this is in conjunction with their TurboTax, Credit Karma, and QuickBooks services. They also offer bookkeeping services for businesses that use those services. But they are looking for someone to be client-focused and do transactional bookkeeping. So you'll be maintaining records of financial transactions by reviewing and categorizing the transactions. You'll complete the reconciliation for credit cards, bank feeds, and loan accounts. You'll make journal entries in the probably QuickBooks application, sending monthly financial reports to the customers. You will have to communicate with the clients and team to summarize the month and closing to make sure their books are completed in a timely manner. So you'll do all of their bookkeeping, such as financial statement errors, chart of accounts cleanup, sales tax, and payroll issues. You'll review the documentation that is submitted by the client, making sure that everything is complete. Now, one good thing about this is while they prefer a 4-year degree, they don't require one. They do want somebody who has 5 years of bookkeeping experience, someone who knows how to use QuickBooks Online, someone who knows about AR and payroll, who can be great at organizational skills, self-disciplined, and a problem solver. Now, if you have bookkeeping or financial experience, they do seem to pay very well. Of course, pay is always dependent on location and experience, but the low end of the pay is $24 an hour, and the high end is all the way up to $36.50 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.